Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy 4 watch. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So in this video I will show you two ways how to charge them. Let's start with the first one, the classic one, with the cable which comes with the device. So right here you can see two sides. This flat part which is connecting to the watch by attaching them to the back of the screen like this. And this USB type A side cable we would need to plug or into power adapter, which doesn't come with the device, so you would need to take your own one. And make sure that it have USB type A input, or plug it into your PC which is turned on. Now I will plug it into my power adapter and connect it to power of source. And you can see on the screen animation which is showing that the watch started charging. And if you take a close look, you can see it's now on 69%, the current time right now, and how long it will charging until full charge. Now to the second way. And now to the second way, which is named wireless power sharing. If you have Samsung phone, one of the latest generation, actually your phone have a feature named wireless power sharing. That means that power from your phone can be shared with your watch. Let me show you how to do it. Open your settings and scroll down until you see tab named battery and device care. Click on it and click on the battery right here. After this, scroll down and click on the wireless power sharing and turn it on. Then turn your phone like this and put your watch on the center of the back side of your phone. And after this, you can see the charging animation showed up, and it's 15 minutes until your watch will be fully charged. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.